We know that the construction industry accounts for almost 40% of global greenhouse gas emissions. 28% of that is directly from buildings, and the remainder is to do with upfront carbon from building materials. So we really need to decarbonise that value chain and reverse this trend.
It's incredibly important that we're all starting to design more sustainably, using materials that have low embodied energy and responding to what's on our doorstep, which is this kind of global crisis.
I think as humans we really need a reminder to engage with the earth in a more meaningful way. I'd say that there's a communal and a global consequence for not engaging with these things.
We saw it imperative that we became carbon neutral and got certified. There's a growing market for people wanting to live more sustainably.
Clients come to us now. They have a particular appetite for a certain level of sustainability. They're wanting it to be carbon neutral. They're wanting to be off-grid. They come to us because they're wanting to engage in a meaningful biophilic way.
So to reduce our emissions, essentially, we need to design smarter. Building a tight and tough fabric, we can ultimately reduce our energy consumption. We use bricks as thermal mass internally within the building to moderate temperatures. They're durable and going to last the test of time.
Bricks are forever. There's a longevity there that's really important.
And the fact that they're kind of unitised building forms, so you have a lot of freedom with what you can create, the kind of forms architecturally that you might want to design.
Typically we've specified recycled bricks for our projects. But when we have a carbon neutral option, materials that have climate active certification, it gives us more choice in terms of colour and texture to meet site-specific requirements.
The carbon neutral offered by Brickworks is fantastic because it now offers architects even more appealing reasons to go down that pathway of much more sustainable designs.
The climate active carbon neutral certification really pulls into our core values as architects.
Building materials ought to be selected for their overall performance and their beauty. Bricks really do add a lot of character to our buildings.
They still really embody that connection to nature and the environment.
The fact that Brickworks now has a product that is both carbon neutral and minimising its footprint on the environment is fantastic.
We'll definitely be running all of our projects through that process because choosing carbon neutral bricks just gives clients peace of mind.
This climate active certified brick, produced in every state, really takes away some of that guessing game. It gives us the freedom to focus on the rest of the upfront carbon emissions.
I think it just encourages designers and builders to just be thinking about the products they're selecting and how it can positively contribute to their building and to their outcomes.
Now having carbon neutral bricks more local to all of our projects across Australia is a huge win. I'm really excited by this, and I hope to see more industry leaders and suppliers coming to the forefront on this and matching this challenge.